Hello and a great evening to you, my dear one. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have seen the previous 3 videos from our daily psychic advice series. We are on day 4th and up till now it's been a good ride. Today let's do a bit differently. Since life is a culmination of our choices, our karma, so today you will be making your choices from among these 2 cards. One is the Tree of Life card, the other one is Unicorn card. Take a deep breath, pause for a while, choose the one that calls the most to you, and I'll go ahead with the reading of the first card. All the best. So here we go with our card number 1, which is for Tree of Life, and the card is, wow, the Hermit. So all those who have chosen this Tree of Life card, it's time for you to take a break from the world. It's time for you to reassess, meditate, introspect, being patient with people. That's very important. Not to take any rash decision. Basically it is time for your going inside. So whatever you do, whether you do some sadhana or meditation, it's advisable for you for these 24 hours to not to get involved with the society, with the world. It's time for your silence. It's a very wonderful card. It's a card which is, because as I have already told you, that we are in the retrograde period, and this is what we need to do during these times. So I'll be pulling more cards as part of our divine message from the universe. It can be an explanation, an add-on to your anchor card. All the best, Rishis. So thank you, spirit guides, for helping our lovelies here. Please give me 2 more cards for these people. And very wonderful. Very nice, very nice. So I believe it's all those who have chosen this first set, probably you're struggling with money aspect, or you're struggling with you've been basically, or career aspect, health maybe. So the card for the next, and that is why probably your head is running a lot. It's time for being, leaving things, letting loose, just going inside, because, and getting grounded. I suggest you to go for balancing your earth element. A lot of openness I can definitely see. What will happen once you be mindful of your of your situation, once you'll be silencing your mind, you'll get grounded. A lot of openness will come. Overthinking will go. I advise you to go for earth element balancing meditation, which you can find on my YouTube channel. So yeah, it's a wonderful reading. If in case you are in any ways disturbed due to your career, money aspect, wealth aspect, investments, property, land, building, stuck money somewhere, just don't worry. Go inside yourself, silence your head, silence the chatterbox inside you, and just balance your Mooladhara chakra, or you can say the earth element balancing. In case you need your chakra reading with me, you can book your session by sending a mail on info@mysteriousbox.co.in. So that will help you to understand what else you can do in terms of balancing your career and money energy. It's a wonderful reading. Thank you. So we'll go ahead with the second card, all those who would have chosen this. So I had a deep feeling that we'll again have the same card. We had the same card yesterday. If you remember, it is the Christ card, which is the card of compassion. It is a card which is saying that in case you are in fear, in case you are lacking, you feel that there is no support around, just don't worry. There are invisible support from the universe which is there. Open your heart, just be receptive. The Christ compassion is around you, angels are around you. 44 number once again. I had a deep feeling that this is the card which is going to come for the group 2. I just don't know how. Yeah, so very wonderful card, very wonderful card. So I'll go ahead with more of its explanation. Thank you, spirit guides. What is the message for the group 2 people who have chosen unicorn card? What is an additional message or guidance, remedies, warnings for these lovely beings here? Okay, and I feel there a need of one more card here. One more card. All right, let's go for your reading now. I told you this is healing, right? Fear, in case you have any fear, you need to open your heart for receiving that healing. This is a healing card that you've got. In case your health was not fine or you were stuck in a situation, healing is happening. A lot of healing from intuitively you are guided, your heart is opening up. Emotional stability, it's time for emotional stability. It's time for angelic support. This is again an angelic card. My goodness, in case somebody is looking for it's a very fertile card. So I believe in case somebody has conceived or you're looking for a family, it's a very good time. You have been healed. You can think about it. Your health is fine. You're being supported. It's a very wonderful card, a very wonderful set. I mean, there are angels, there are fairies. Just receive your blessings, your healing. Your health is going to improve. Your intuition will be heightened. You have a male and a female support both ways, like a masculine energy and a feminine energy, which is going to help you in your day-to-day activity. If you can keep, since it is all about healing, I am getting I think Archangel Raphael is around you, so you can, if it's possible for you to keep something green, emerald green color, the green that I am using here on this cloth, because I had a calling like that of Archangel Raphael. That is why I went ahead with this green color. So please go ahead with some green color cloth if you can keep. You can wear green, you can have bedsheet green, something in dark green, emerald green. It's a wonderful set of cards in case you have chosen. I would suggest, in case you want to learn more about angel therapy, which angels support how and etc., you can go ahead with my angel therapy workshop. For that you can post your query on info@mysteriousbox.co.in, or else you can call me at 9711451065. So thank you everyone, this was wonderful. Thank you.